Diesel Beats.
What's up, Laker fans? Check it out. Let's feel this beat. Deuces. Y'all gonna be out of here just like deuces. Let's feel this beat first. Feel this beat. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. For y'all to win tonight, you know it's absurd. You know your Laker fans gonna be on that ghetto bird. You guys gonna be out of here, that's my word. I grab the mic, kid, but I'm not Larry Bird. Check it out, kid. You never face the book. Check it out, I'm eating you up on Facebook. All you Laker fans, that tonight you're gonna be bitter. I'm gonna post this right on Twitter at FreeDayNail, hashtag it's just a fad. I'll pop your eye, but I guess you be the C-hat. Don't get mad at me, be mad at your team. I grab the mic cause it's not a bad dream. All you Laker fans are just like Charlie Brown. You got a stupid coach, his name is Mike Brown. He might as well be lineage with the towel around his neck or blanket around his neck because he's super fake. Check it out, kid, I'm on the fast break. I grab the mic, kid, your team is just fake. I grab the mic and I hit you in your jaw. Why in the hell that you can't stop Ty Law? Ty Law always going down the lane for the finger roll. I grab the mic, kid, y'all just say, oh. Your team ain't nothing. I tell you to your face, kid, because y'all only bluffing. You run around in the yellow and purple. You're looking like Urkel. I see you in a circle. Your Laker fans, you're nothing but jerk. I tell you to your face, tonight you ain't gonna put in no work. I'll be praising at church. Let me get down. Matter of fact, you're just a clown. Let me get down and do. Can you see me doing my T-bow? I'm doing my T-bow. I say, oh no. I grab the mic, this is for you, bro. Check it out, what's up with Danita? I grab the mic, I am a Laker beater. I hit the Lakers right in their face. I grab the mic, cause your team is disgraced. I'm talking to you, DMC. I rip on the mic because you know I'm a real up G. On the mic, kid, I'm never starving. This goes out to you, Mr. Marvin. I'm looking at my TV HD. My TV happen to be in HD. I don't rock the cable. I don't rock the cable. I don't rock the chain. Check it out, I'm just insane. Insane to the membrane. I grab the mic here, check it out, you're like Dr. Strange. Check it out, the Laker fans just suck. If I was to use a fanny, I'd say y'all just. But I don't say that word with the F-U-C-K. But I'll shoot you with the AK. Like I said, y'all gonna be on that ghetto bird. Like I said, that's my word. I can't wait till tonight that the Lakers are over here. Matter of fact, the Lakers are going fishing. Where's my fishing rod? Check it out, kid. I guess I'll be the hot rod. I'll be the D3 to the place to be. I'm rapping on the mic, kid, on the daily, constantly. Check it out, I'm having fun. I grew up in the shotgun, off the one tray deuce or the one tray five. You hear this beat, and you know this beat is live. But I never gang bang, and I'm out of here. F your team, you know what I mean?